Welcome to the WorldPay Dashboard tutorial, a comprehensive guide to help you navigate and utilize the features of this payment processing platform. The WorldPay Dashboard is an intuitive and user-friendly interface that allows you to manage your transactions, track your sales, and monitor your account activity. To get started, log into your WorldPay account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard homepage, which provides an overview of your account activity, including the number of transactions, total sales, and any pending payments. The top navigation menu allows you to access various sections of the dashboard, including transactions, reports, settings, and support. The Transactions section provides a detailed list of all your transactions, including the date, amount, and status of each payment. You can filter transactions by date, type, or status, and also export them to a spreadsheet for further analysis. The Reports section provides a range of pre-built reports that help you analyze your sales and transaction data. You can view reports on your total sales, average transaction value, and top-selling products. These reports can be customized to suit your specific needs and can be scheduled to be sent to you automatically. The Settings section allows you to configure your account settings, including your payment methods, currency, and notification preferences. You can also set up multiple user accounts and assign different roles and permissions to each user. To add a new payment method, click on the Add Payment Method button and follow the prompts to enter your payment details. You can add multiple payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank accounts. Best practices for using the WorldPay dashboard include regularly reviewing your transaction data, monitoring your account activity, and keeping your account settings up to date. It is also important to ensure that your payment methods are valid and up to date to avoid any disruptions to your transactions. In conclusion, the WorldPay dashboard is a powerful tool that helps you manage your transactions and track your sales. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can navigate the dashboard with ease and make the most of its features. Remember to regularly review your account activity, monitor your transactions, and keep your account settings up to date to get the most out of the WorldPay dashboard.